ሰላም እንደምን ቆያችሁን? ዛሬ እንደተለመደው በሌላ ጥያቄ መጥተናል። የዛሬው ጥያቄያችን በሪሚዲያል ባዮሎጂ ቻፕተር 7 ላይ ከዚህ በፊት በሪሚዲያል ጥያቄዎች ላይ የተጠየቁ ጥያቄዎችን ሰብስብ አድርገን ለእናንተ ይዘን መጥተናል። ለቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ማንኛውም ያላችሁን አስተያየት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፍ አድርጉልን። የእናንተ የዛሬ ኮሜንት የነገኛ ስራ ይሆናልና ቀጥታ ወደ ቪዲዮ እንሄዳለን። አንደኛ traditional biotechnology different from modern biotechnology primarily because modern biotechnology relies heavily on A. cheese and yogurt production, B. selective breeding of livestock, C. recombinant DNA technology and genetic engineering, D. large scale fermentation of beer. ትራዲሽናል እና ሞደርን ባዮቴክኖሎጂ በዋነኝነት የሚለያቸው የትኛው ነው? The answer will be, what will be the answer? C. recombinant DNA technology and genetic engineering is the best answer. ሁለተኛ, what are the molecular scissors used in recombinant DNA technology to cut DNA at specific nucleotide sequence? What will A. DNA ligase, B. restriction endonuclease, C. DNA polymerase, D. RNA primase. ሞለኪላር ሲሶርስ አለው ሞለኪል ሆኖ ልክ እንደ መቀስ የሚያገለግል ነው። ዲኤንኤን በሆነ ስፔሲፊክ ቦታ ላይ የሚቆርጥ ኦር ሪስትሪክት የሚያደርገው ነው የሚለው the answer will be B. restriction endonuclease is the best answer. ሶስተኛ, in genetic engineering plasmids are frequently used as A. enzymes to catalyze reactions, B. vectors to carry foreign DNA into host cells, C. microscopic probes to detect disease, D. energy source for cell growth. What will be the answer? በጄኔቲክ ኢንጂነሪንግ ላይ ፕላዝሚድ ብዙ ጊዜ የሚጠቅመን ለምንድን ነው? ኤ ላይ ኢንዛይም ቱ ካታላይዝ ሪአክሽን ይላል። ፕላዝሚድ ኢንዛይም አይደለም፣ ሶ ኤ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። when it comes to see microscopic probes to detect disease ይላል። ለዲዚዝ ዲቴክትም አንጠቀመውም። ቢ ነው ወይስ ዲ? the answer will be B. vectors to carry foreign DNA into host cell is the best answer. አራተኛ, the enzymes responsible for sealing or joining the sugar phosphate backbone of two DNA fragments together is A. DNA helicase, B. reverse transcriptase, C. DNA ligase, D. tag polymerase. The answer will be C. DNA ligase is the best answer. DNA ligase ነው ማለት ነው። አምስተኛ, which technique is used to amplify millions of copies of specific segment of DNA in a matter of hours? A. J electrophoresis, B. polymerase chain reaction, C. western blotting, D. Sanger sequencing. The answer will be B. polymerase chain reaction is the best answer. polymerase chain reaction በዋነኝነት የተለያዩ ሚሊየንስ ኦፍ ኮፒስ ኦፍ ሴግመንት ኦፍ ዲኤንኤን በጣም በትንሽ ሰዓት ውስጥ አይዴንቲፋይ ማድረግ የሚችል ነው። ብዙ ጊዜ ደግሞ ለፎረንሲክ አይደንቲፊኬሽን በደንብ እንጠቀምበታለን። ስድስተኛ, golden rice is genetically modified crop engineering to produce beta-carotene or vitamin A precursor to primarily combat A. iron deficiency anemia, B. night blindness and childhood mortality in developing nations, C. protein energy malnutrition, D. crop destruction by fungal pathogens. ያው እዚህ ጋር አሁን ጥያቄው ላይ ቼክ አውት ማድረግ ያለብን የቫይታሚን ኤ ጥቅሙ ነው። ቫይታሚን ኤ በዋነኝነት ለምንድን ነው የሚጠቅመን? ለአይረን ዲፊሽንሲ አይሆንም አይደለ? ኦር ለፕሮቲን ኤነርጂ ማልኒትሪሽንም አይሆንም። ናይት ብላይንድነስ ዋነኛው ኦሪዝ ኦፍ ቫይታሚን ኤ ነው። the answer will be B is the best answer. ሰባተኛ, beet crops such as beet cotton and beet corn carry agents from the soil bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis that makes them resistant to A. severe droughts, B. glyphosate hybrids, C. specific insect pests, D. High soil salinity. The answer will be C. Specific insect pests is the best answer. ስምንተኛ what is a major environmental concern associated with the widespread cultivation of herbicide resistant GM crops? A. The complete eradication of all insect populations. B. Transfer of resistance gene to wild weeds, creating superweeds. C. A massive drop in global crop yield. D. Sudden cooling of the local climate. What will be the answer? The answer will be B. The transfer resistance gene is the best answer. The first commercially successful medicine produced via recombinant DNA technology in 1982 was A. Penicillin, B. Human insulin, C. Human growth hormone, D. Erythropoietin. የመጀመሪያው ሰክሰስፉል የሆነው ሪኮምባይንድ ዲኤንኤ የትኛው ነው? ቢ ሂውማን ኢንሱሊን ነው። በዚህ ጋር ፔንሲሊን the first አንቲዶንት ነው አሌክሳንደር ፍላሚንግ የሰራው ነው እንጂ the first recombined DNA አይደለም ማለት ነው ፔንሲሊን። so the answer is B human insulin is the best answer. አስረኛ the process of introducing a functional healthy gene into a patient cell to correct or replace a defective disease causing gene is called A. Gene therapy, B. Pharmacogenomics, C. Xenotransplantation, D. Monoclonal antibody therapy. The answer will be ይሄኛው አጠቃላይ ቴራፒ ስናየው ጂንን ተጠቅሞ ፔሸንትን ማከም ነው ማለት የሚለው። the answer will be gene therapy. ፋርማኮቴራፒ ያው በመድኃኒት ተጠቅመን የምናክመው ነው። ዜኖ ትራንስፕላንቴሽን ትራንስፕላንት ማድረግ ነው። አንድ ኦርጋን ወደ ሌላ ኦርጋን፣ አንድ ኦርጋን በሌላ ሰው ኦርጋን መተካት ነው። ሞለኩላር አንቲቦዲ ቴራፒ ደሴም ሽት ሶ ጂን ቴራፒ in this scenario gene therapy is the best answer. 11ኛ what types of stem cell can differentiate into absolutely any cell type in the human body including extra embryonic tissue like the placenta? A. Multipotent stem cell, B. Pluripotent stem cell, C. Totipotent stem cell, D. Unipotent stem cell. The answer will be C. Totipotent stem cell is the best answer. 12 in forensic science and paternity testing, DNA profiling relies heavily on evaluating variation in A. coding exon of X structural genes, B. short tandem repeat in non-codon region of DNA, C. ribosomal RNA sequence, D. mitochondrial membrane proteins. The answer will be what will be the answer? B. short tandem repeats is the best answer. 13ኛ which organelles or bacterial structure is utilized to produce large quantities of antibiotics in industrial fermenters? A. mammalian liver cell, B. microorganism like penicillin, fungi or streptomycin bacteria, C. viral capsid, D. plant chloroplasts. What will be the answer? The answer is B. microorganisms like penicillin, fungi or streptomycin bacteria is the best answer. 14ኛ in industrial biotechnology downstream processing or refers to which phase? A. designing the genetic vector, B. cutting cell in nutrient medium, C. the isolation, purification and formation of the final product from fermentation process, D. sterilizing the bioreactor before fermentation. What will be the answer? downstream process ነው የሚለው። the answer will be C ነው አይደለ? yeah, the isolation, purification and formation of final product is the best answer. 15ኛ production of biofuel like bioethanol typically involve the fermentation of plant sugar and starch by A. stearia coil, B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, C. cyanobacteria, D. thermophilic archaea. The answer will be B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the best answer. ምንድነው ፕሮዳክሽን የሚያደርገው? ባዮፊሎችን ነው ፕሮዲስ የሚያደርጉ ላይክ ባዮኢታኖሎችን ነው። እነዚህ ባዮኢታኖል ከሹገር እና ከስታርች ተጠቅሞ ፈርመንት እንዲሆኑ የሚያደርገው ስፔሺስ ነው የጠየቀን። ሶ ዳንተርስ ቢ ኢዝ ዘ ቤስት አንሰር። 16ኛ ባዮሪሜዲሽን is defined as the use of living organisms, mostly microbes or plants, to A. synthesize synthetic fiber for industrial use, B. clean up, degrade or neutralize environmental pollutions from soil or water, C. mass produce high yield biopesticide, D. map human genetic variations. The answer is ባዮሪሜዲሽን ነው። ባዮሪሜዲሽን ምንድነው መልሱ? B. clean up, degrade or neutralizing environmental pollution is the best answer, B. 17ኛ using plants to absorb, concentrate and degrade heavy metal and toxin from contaminated soil is specific types of bioremediation called A. bioaugmentation, B. biostimulation, C. phytoremediation, D. compositing. The answer will be, what will be the answer? biostimulation ነው ወይስ phytoremediation ነው? The answer will be C. phytoremediation is the best answer. 18ኛ adding nutrients, nitrogen or phosphorus to a contaminated environment to stimulate the growth of indigenous oil degrading microbe is called A. phytoviolations, B. biostimulation, C. bioaugmentation, D. genetic bioharvesting. The answer will be biostimulation is the best answer. 19ኛ what tool is used to separate DNA fragment based purely on their size and electrical charge? A. PCR thermal cycler, B. bioreceptor, C. gel electrophoresis, D. micro injector. The answer will be ዲኤንኤዎችን የዲኤንኤ ፍራግመንትን ሰፓሬት የሚያደርግ ነው based on their size. The answer will be C. gel electrophoresis is the best answer. 20ኛ during gel electrophoresis DNA fragment move toward the anode positive electrode because DNA is A. positively charged due to nitrogenous base, B. negative charged due to phosphate base, C. neutral and carried by the current, D. hydrophobic. ዲኤንኤው ወዴት ነው ይሄዳል የተባለ ያለው? ወደ አኖድ ነው። ካቶድ እና አኖድ የምንላቸው አሉ አይደለ? ሶ ዲኤንኤው ወደ አኖድ ከሄደ ምንጊዜም አትራክት ቻዘር የሚያደርጉት ምንድነው? ኔጌቲቭ እና ፖዚቲቭ ነው። ያቺ ኔጌቲቪቲዋ ወይም ይቺ ኔጌቲቪቲው የመጣ ዲኤንኤ ደግሞ ቢኮዝ ኦፍ ፎስፌት ግሩፕ ነው። ዲኤንኤ ላይ ናይትሮጂነስ ቤዝ ፎስፌት ግሩፕ አለው አይደለ? ሶ ፎስፌት ግሩፕ ያለው ኔጌቲቭ ነው ወደ አኖድ አትራክት እንዲያደርግ ያለው መልሱ ቢ ነው። ኔጌቲቭ ቻርጅ ዲቱ ፎስፌት ግሩፕ ነው። ዋይ ቢኮዝ ወደ አኖድ ሲሄድ ቢኮዝ ኔጌቲቭ ቻርጅ ነው የሚሄደው፣ አኖድ ደግሞ ፖዚቲቭ ነው። አትራክት ቻርጅ ደግሞ የሚደረጉት ዲፈረንት ቻርጅ ሲሆኑ ነው። ሲሚላር ቻርጅ ሲሆኑ ደግሞ ቢሆን ኖሮ ሪፕል ቻርጅ ነበር የሚያደርጉት። ሶ ኔጌቲቭሊ ነው። ዋይ ቢኮዝ ፎስፌት ቻርጅ or phosphate group ስላለው the answer is B. which enzyme is extracted from a thermophilic bacterium or Thermus aquaticus to withstand the high temperature denaturation step of PCR? A. DNA ligase, B. Tag polymerase, C. RNA polymerase, D. EcoRI. What will be the answer? B. Tag polymerase is the best answer. 22 What is an advantage of using micropropagation plant tissue culture over traditional seed planting? A. It increases genetic diversity via sexual reproduction. B. It allows for the rapid production of thousands of identical disease-free clones from a single plant. C. It requires no sterility laboratory equipment. D. It produces plants that do not require water. What will be the answer? ማይክሮ ፕሮፓጌሽን ጥቅም ነው እየጠየቀን ያለው። መልሱ ቢ ኢዝ ዘ ቤስት አንሰር። 23ኛ monoclonal antibodies are produced by fusing a specific beta-lactamase with a cancerous myeloma cell. The resulting hybrid cell is called A. hybridoma, B. zygote, C. plasmid, D. liposome. The answer will be ሞኖክሎናል አንቲባዲ ነው። ፕሮዲውስ የሚያደርገው ቤታ ሊምፎሳይት ነው። The answer would be A. Hybridoma is the best answer. 24. A biosensor is an analytical device that combines biological recombination components like an enzyme or antibody with A. Bacterial vector, B. Physiochemical transducer to output a measurable signal, C. PCR machine, D. Fermentation vat. The answer will be, what will be the answer? The answer is B. Phytochemical transducers is the best answer. 25. Deliberate modification of any animal genome by introducing foreign DNA so that it passes the trait to its offspring creates A. Somatic hybrid animal, B. Transgenic animal, C. Attenuated animal, D. Polyploid animal. What will be the answer? The answer is B. Transgenic animal is the best answer. የዛሬው ቪዲዮአችን ይህ ይመስል ነበረ። ከ25ቱ ስንት እንዳመጣችሁ ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፍ አድርጉልን። ይህ ቪዲዮም ከተመቻችሁ በላይክ አንበሽብሹን። ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ። ሰላም